everyone, it's Sarah. So today I'm going to be talking about my own immersive experience that you can use by just going on to Marian Island. So I stumbled across this house recently while I was visiting the island, and I thought it would be a great application for looking into kind of interior design. So don't mind the skip, I've kind of gotten into the house and looking at the entryway or this initial living room of the house. We see this wonderful empty space that you have with all of the windows, the wallpaper. It's kind of a very nice blank slate or canvas that could be used and utilized. And what I would really want students to do, whether they were younger students thinking about spatial design or even going at the college level, is they would have to design their own living room, their own house, and really utilize all the different tools that they have available to them on Marian. So they could build their own furniture, or they could borrow furniture from other places within the server, and then they would have to design their own living room. And really the big difference between this and maybe doing it on a piece of paper or creating blueprints is this allows them to actually get into the experience and really see how everything would lay out in the room, what type of sizing you would need for furniture, for couches, any blank spaces. It really allows them to build and create and really experiment and play with the interior design in a new way that is very different from just kind of sitting in a room drawing out plans. So kind of moving into one of the other rooms, we can see that there's a door in the middle of the room, and you can physically open it and close it, and it gives you more of that solid portion of design, which I think is really missing from some of those classes. And also one of the great things about doing it on Marian Island is you could copy probably the entire house, transplant it somewhere else, and then go and completely renovate it, change it, and play with it some more. So you could still have the original copy, and then you could have your own design. Marian Island is also great because you could collaborate with different teammates. It's very easy to get onto the server and access, and teammates can go in independently to work on the project. They could go in and they could use the text features to verbally collaborate. They could use the chat. There are so many different portions of this experience that are enhanced by it being within the virtual reality. It also kind of cuts out the need for meeting in person to collaborate for something, because you could be sitting within the comforts of your own home working on this group project, and you could get so much more done and you don't have to worry about the travel time. So I think that this would be a great idea for any interior design or any just spatial awareness that if you're trying to teach your students that. So this is kind of my idea for an immersive environment or experience.